The Supreme Court has sought a report from the Commissions for Air Quality Management on steps taken to prevent farm fires and action taken against officers for allowing such incidents despite past orders to stop them. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh have paid tributes to Pandit Dandayal Upadhyaya on his birth anniversary today. The Border Security Force has launched strong protests with border guard Bangladesh against illegal crossing by Bangladeshi migrants and adoption of its Jawan. Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman met Uzbekistan Minister of Investment, Industry and Trade Lazis Kudratov ahead of the annual meeting of Board of Governors of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank in Samarkand. The Supreme Court has condemned the expansion of the non-residential Indian quota in Punjab's medical colleges.